Hi, this is Mona. This is my 15th day where I'm trying to speaking in English. I'm not a fluencer. That's why I'm trying to speaking in here. Here I'm doing so many mistakes because mistake is the way of learning. But at the end of the video, I will rectify my all mistake because I know if I'm doing mistake, it's a way of learning. I'm learning, that's why I'm doing mistake. So here is 10 o'clock in the morning. So today is a Wednesday, and then here is a sunshine, and then I'm walking in here. I'm going to my room because that is not a perfect location for recording. But why I'm recording on that location? Because that location is perfect for shining, and here is a perfect view. And then let me see the background of my house, and I'm not a richest person. I belong from middle class family. This is my childhood dream. That's why I'm speaking. Otherwise, I have no any motive to speaking this language. I know here I'm doing so many mistakes. This is my background, and I don't know what I'm speaking in here. I don't know, but what I'm speaking I speak only because I'm here to recording video and to doing practice in here. This is my practice time in speaking and communication with me. That's why I'm trying to speaking in recording the video because recording the video is the best way to learning English. If I'm here doing like I'm here to doing any mistake, then obviously I will learn. And then now here is little bit air blowing, but not much. But yeah, it's a background. Let me show to you what is the background in. So it's a background, and yeah, look at here. This is my plants. I in every day to this plant because I like to these things. Watering every day and then giving food to birds, to pigeon. Yeah, I love this work. And then today, what is the special? I don't know what is a special, but yeah, after so long, I share my speaking series in there. So this is my special day. That is the my that's the why that is my this is my special day because after so long, and I'm not a regular in this application. Like I'm not regular in here in speaking way because I have a lots of work, and soon I will share my lots of work what I'm doing and what's my daily routine. Soon I will share in blogging. So yeah, wait for stay tuned for my blogging. But yeah, in there, this is the sufficient, this is the enough talking of the day. So bye. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and hope this video is useful. Maybe this video is useful. If this video is not useful, then dislike of me. Otherwise, I'm not forced to you should like my video. Okay, bye.